what happened was the defendant was caught by a child stealing a piece of wood from his premises, and he was kept in his house, where the honorable court said of the judgment that he cannot be punished because he is categorized under the age of 7 years, and the offense which he has been done cannot be termed as a act which is punishable under the law, because the immaturity level between the 7 and 12 years is different. Where similar case happened in one of the abroad country, where one of the police who saw a boy with a toy gun, as he was assumed that it was toy gun, and the boy had an actual revolver in his hand, while the police officer asked him to shoot to him, thinking that's a toy gun, it will be a play for him. So what happened was that accidentally the boy was triggered the gun and shot the police officer. In the same case also, the honorable court said that this cannot be acted as punishable because the boy was under the age of 12 years, the boy was under the age of 7 years, and the immaturity level from the adultery is different from the other. So coming to under section 83 also talks about the same, whereas act of a child above 7 years, 12 years immature understanding. Same in this section it talks about nothing is an offense which is done under above the 7 years of age is an offense, and nothing is an offense which is done by an age of above 7 or under 12 years has attained sufficient maturity to judge of major consequence of his conduct. So here section 83 talked about is that where an act done above the 7 or 12 years having immaturity level can be punishable under the law. These are the one of the cases that is famous under section 82, because most of the cases which have happened in India under these cases have been exempted and they have been sent to basically juvenile home. So juvenile home is one of the place where when a crime is done under 7 years of age, through a law process they whether decide to put them in a juvenile home or justice. So it is one of the separate place where it is supportive for these cases. So these are the two famous case which is under section 82. So this is one of the exception under criteria. Other exceptions can be section 78, 81. 79 talks about where an act which is done by a person if a mistake of fact, like for example if a lawyer forgets a mistake or the law forgets about the fact, then it's excusable under the law, whereas if he forgot about the law, then it is not excusable. Section 80, 81 same at least talks about where an unlawful accident happens. Unlawful accident in a sense it means us that an act which is done without any criminal intent to prevent other person. Section 81 talks about this thing, that an act which is done to cause harm, but if there is no criminal intention to harm prevent that person, then it is not a punishable act. As well as the same is true for other sections as well.